How to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. What's going on, everyone? It's BrilliantIT. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to generate passive income. And the best part is, you don't need to create your own products. You simply connect businesses with customers and earn a commission for every successful sale or action taken through your unique referral link. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can set up your own affiliate marketing business for success. So buckle up and let's get started. Okay, so before we dive into the strategies, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly is affiliate marketing? In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other companies' products or services. You find a product you like, promote it to your audience, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. Think of it like being a digital salesperson. The beauty of this model is that you don't need to deal with the hassles of creating a product, managing inventory, or handling customer service. While it takes effort and strategy to build a successful affiliate marketing business, the rewards can be truly life-changing. Choosing the right niche is absolutely crucial for your affiliate marketing success. It's not just about picking a profitable niche, it's about finding one that you're genuinely passionate about and can see yourself working in for years to come. Think about your interests, hobbies, and areas where you have some existing knowledge. Once you have a few potential niches in mind, it's time to do some research. Use tools like Google Trends to see the search volume and overall interest in that niche. Look for niches with a healthy balance of profitability and competition. Now that you have your niche locked in, it's time to find those money-making affiliate programs. One of the easiest ways to get started is by joining affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. These networks act as intermediaries, connecting you with a vast marketplace of merchants and products to promote. Don't limit yourself to just networks, though. Many companies offer their own in-house affiliate programs. Think about brands you love in your niche and head straight to their websites. When evaluating affiliate programs, pay close attention to commission rates, cookie durations, and the overall reputation of the program. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. You need to create high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience and compels them to take action. Think about the problems your audience is facing and how the products you promote can solve them. Create blog posts, videos, social media updates, and email sequences that provide real value, answer questions, and offer insightful solutions. Don't be afraid to get personal and share your own experiences with the products you promote. Authenticity builds trust, and people are more likely to buy from someone they feel connected to. Remember, your goal is to guide your audience through the buyer's journey. All right, you've laid the groundwork, you're creating awesome content, and the commissions are starting to roll in. Now it's time to scale up and maximize those earnings. One of the most effective ways to scale is by leveraging the power of email marketing. Build an email list from day one and provide valuable content to your subscribers. Explore paid advertising platforms like Google Ads or social media ads to reach a wider audience. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Connect with other affiliate marketers in your niche, cross-promote each other's content, and tap into new audiences. So there you have it. A comprehensive roadmap to potentially making $10,000 per month or more with affiliate marketing. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and consistent action to see real results. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and unlock the potential of passive income, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content, and leave a comment below letting me know what you're most excited to implement first. Until next time, keep crushing it.